Hello students, today we will start the fifth chapter, algebraic expressions. Fifth chapter is algebraic expressions. You have already studied this chapter in 6th class. Now move further. Before studying algebraic expressions, firstly we will discuss about numerical expressions. Okay. Then what are numerals? Numerals are the numbers that we use in our daily life like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And we use 4 mathematical operations: plus, minus, multiply and divide. There are 4 mathematical operations: plus, minus, multiply and divide. And using these numerals and symbols, by using both these things, that is numerals and mathematical operations, we can form numerical expressions. For example, 3 plus 4. For example, 3 plus 4. Here we have used two numerals, that is 3 and 4, and we have used the plus mathematical operation. So this becomes a numerical expression. 3 plus 4 is a numerical expression. Similarly, in another example, 6 multiply 10, we have used two numerical values 6 and 10, and multiplication sign is used. So 6 multiply 10 is a numerical expression. Then next is the algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions are the expressions that contain variables and constants. That contains the variables and constants are known as algebraic expressions. So what are variables and constants? First is variable. A variable is a number that can take various values in different situations. A variable can have different values in different situations. Variable's value is not fixed. It can vary. The value of variable can vary. It is not fixed. For example, x, y, l, m, etc. If I am writing x is equal to 1, this is not necessary that x has only one value. It can also be possible that x is equal to 2. It is also possible that x is equal to 3. X can have any value. So its value is not fixed. Its value vary. Next is constants. A constant is a number that has fixed value. A constant is a number that has fixed value. For example, 12, 40, 52, etc. Here value of 12 is fixed. We cannot change it. 12 is 12. 12 cannot mean 11. 12 do not mean 13 or anything. So 12, we cannot change the value of 12. So this is a constant. And there is one example. We are given the algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression, x square plus 2y plus 4. Because this is a combination of constants and variables, and we have used some mathematical operations, that is plus. Then next is forming expressions. Forming expressions, that is how can we form expressions. There are 4 ways. By using these ways we can form expressions. First is combining variables with themselves. We can combine one variable with themselves. That is, I am taking a variable x. I am taking a variable x, and we can multiply this variable with itself. X multiply x. We have used a variable and one symbol. Okay, and this becomes x square. So x square is the algebraic expression. Next is combining variables with other variables. Combining variables with other variables. This means one variable can be combined with another variable. I am taking two variables, that is x and y. Now we can combine these variables by using any operation, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. It can be x plus y. We can also write it x minus y. We can write it x multiply y. We can also write it x divide y. And next is combining a constant and a variable. We can also combine one constant with one variable. I am taking a constant 3 and I am taking a variable x. We can combine both these 3 and x. How can we combine them? By using any operation. If I will write multiply, then it will become 3x. 3 multiply x is always equal to 3x. Then I can also write x plus 3. I can also write x minus 3. I can also write x divide 3. So these are algebraic expressions. Next is combining constants and variables. More than one constants and variables. If I will take two constants, that is 5 and 6, and two variables x and y. Two constants 5 and 6 and two variables x and y. Now I will combine them. I can combine in any way by using these four operations. 5x plus 6y. We can write it 5x plus 6y. This is a algebraic operation, algebraic expression. And we can also write it 5xy minus 6. We can also write it 5xy plus 6. We can write them in any way. So these are the four methods of forming expressions. Now in this example, x square plus 2y plus 4, this algebraic expression is given, and we have to find which are variables and which are constants. There are two variables, that is x and y. Variables are x and y, and constant is only 4. 4 is a constant. We cannot say 2 is a constant. 2 is not a constant because it is written 2y. Because here 2y is written and 2y is a variable. Because y is variable, so 2y is a variable. Here 4 is the only constant. So this was the introduction of algebraic expressions.